I'm in. You can guess where I am. The lock survived the winter, but it got a bit rusty. It's a pretty beautiful day. People out walking. Well, yeah, it looks like the city. Everything looks pretty normal here. No water in the fountain, but people, a lot of people. Cherry blossoms are starting, I think. There are definitely buds on them. Do you remember when we were here, Min? But there were no cherry blossoms then either. PlayStation 5 is doing something live. I'm not sure what that's on. Oh, I see. That's a big axe. When we were here last time, wasn't there ice on the water? So, it's a beautiful day. It's pretty warm, and all the boats are out.